Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm doing part 2 of my Pat Mcgrath Bronze Seduction, what's the other name? Mothership number 5 palette. So today I wanted to do something really pink and like colorful, and I'm gonna take it there. I'm gonna make it super dramatic in a way. And I'm wearing this because this is actually my inspiration for the look I'm about to create. I also inspired by the Met Gala with Rihanna. You know, her makeup artist did all the blush on her temples and stuff. So we're gonna go for something similar to that today. I have no idea what I'm doing. Like, I haven't done this look before, so I hope it comes out really good. Let me zoom in and we'll get right into it. First of all, I'm gonna take this off because it's way too hot. Okay, now I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow base. Just by putting my eyeshadow base, I can tell my lids are getting like saggy and wrinkly. So I think after today, I'm just gonna really work on doing a bunch of tutorials before they go and start resting on top of my eyelashes. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is work BLITZ Flame all over the eye, and I'm gonna make like a shape, like a really huge shape. And I'm looking to create a smoke. So the main shade is gonna be BLITZ Flame. That looks really pretty already. And this was applied with like this fluffiest brush. It's still very pigmented. I'm actually impressed. Look at that. Ta-da! I'm gonna zoom in a little bit closer. Hi, I'm Victor. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of the light brown entrapment just to kind of go around the eye and build like a new shape in a way. So I'm gonna go in with the 219 brush from MAC, and we're just gonna capitalize on that middle V. And I'm gonna use this brush from LUNAR. It's like a little smudge brush to blend the color in. To be honest, I'm a little excited to do this look because this is gonna be one of the looks where I don't really cut the crease, you know, or add anything too dramatic in terms of shaping my eye. I usually do. I might add something in the inner corner, you know, just to bring it out a little bit more. But for the most part, it's just gonna be a lot of color, you know, and it's gonna spread out. One of the things that's really scary about eyeshadow is like, as you're building the mattes and the dark colors, you don't know exactly what it's gonna look like at the end. So you get a little scared. But once you get to the final part, you know, you start adding the highlights, the liner, everything else, it starts coming together in a really fun way. So if you're new to eyeshadow and you're like, oh my god, this is starting to look like shit, do not be discouraged, just follow through until the end, and you'll surprise yourself. I'm gonna go back with my big brush, so using the same color entrapment, I'm just gonna smoke it out a little bit more. There you go, and then on the edges of that I'm going back again with BLITZ Flame with the ponytail brush and just adjust the edges and blend them out so they have more color. There we go. Now I'm going to use Aubergine, which is a purple, just to add a little bit more color. I'm going to use it around the edges and the bottom. And I'm really going to pack that color on. Like, I don't know exactly what I'm doing at this point, but I really want the color to show. So I'm going to put it on the outer corner. Put it on the outer corner. It kind of looks weird, so I'm going to blend it and pray to God that it works. Okay, and I'm gonna use BLITZ flame to blend it out. So I guess the moral of the story is whenever you, if you do anything with this look, just use BLITZ flame and it'll fix it. I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter before I move on to the cheeks. So I think I'm gonna use, let's see. Ooh, I'm gonna use this one that's kind of rosy. This one's called VR Opal. VR Fire Opal. So I'm gonna grab a small amount with my Cabinet Clown brush. And I'm just placing it on the lid. And I'm gonna grab a pinch of the whiteout. And I'm gonna put the glitter there as well. And to make this a tiny bit more expensive, I'm going to use the ASTRAL Lunar Gold, and I'm going to place it just by the lash line. Okay, so that completes the eye. Let's move on to the cheeks. I am going to do mascara, and I think I'm going to put false lashes today. Yay! Okay, now we're going to go for the scariest part of this whole look, which is the cheeks. Okay, so I'm going to use this Kat Von D brush. This is the dual brush. There we go. This is actually really cool because it's giving me a highlight, but it's also bronzing my skin in a way and giving me a ton of color for the blush. And now I'm going to use my fan brush, but I'm going to use it with a lighter highlighter and a little bit of a... Actually, let me use the blush. I'm going to use the Tony Moly blush that I have because I want to see if it will kind of add more dimension to the look. Okay, now I'm going to go with my fan brush and I'm going to use the silvery pink highlighter that I have. I'm going to be applying it on my nose, Cupid's bow and chin. And then for the lip, I wanted to try something new, so I'm going to use the BLITZ flame with my finger, and I'm going to put a little bit of glitter in the middle. There you go. I'm a genius. Like, this came out real good. Now I'm going to put a little bit of the glitter, and I want to be very specific with it, so I'm going to use the rosy one, which is the VR Fire Opal. There you go. So I'm going to bronze myself up. I'm going to put some lashes, eyeliner, and we'll call it a day. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. I put on some eyeliner, lashes. I put more of the blush on, well, the eyeshadow on, and I put some bronzer, and I snatched the shit out of my nose because I took some pictures and it looked really big, so I had to make it skinny. So this is the look. As you can see, it's very flushed, very rose. I like this look a lot. I think it's very modern and current, and I think that, you know, a lot of people can actually get away with using this for a night out, or if you want to be a little bit more daring. And I feel like if you want to take a risk, this is the time to do it, because we have so much great makeup, so much amazing fashion, you know, these days, especially at the Met Gala. You know, a lot of people are going crazier and crazier, and I feel like this is going to become the norm. We're kind of in an age where people want to be extremely creative and nobody can say shit about it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the look for the day. Please subscribe if you haven't. Press the bell so you know when I have a new video. And like the video if you like this type of content. And I'll see you on the next one. I feel so weird wearing this much makeup, but I think it looks pretty dope.